So the lecture is about data report. We already created a database with name of DB. Name of the database is DB. Name of the table is STD. Name of the table is STD. And then we have three fields inside the STD table. First one is SID, S name, and S address. Okay. Now moving towards project. Okay. In project we have formed for student information like ID, name, and address. For adding records, save and update and search. Then we have used the data grid. For connectivity purpose we have used ADO control. Now we are going to add another button for report, for data report. Lectures short the less meant to lecture the logo tawajjuh server hai. Sahi hai? Double click on the button, just insert a button. Change the caption to report. Okay. Now you have to add a report. So from project menu you can add the data report. Add data report. Maximize. Okay. Normally in report we have 5 sections. The first one on top, this one is called as report header. Report header section. Report header section is for logo, university name like institute name like Kardan University. The second portion is for portion is page header, which is used for example like ID, name, and address. The heading is radical. Mobile silent page. Heading second display की ना मोबाइल ज़माना दे 10 दे 10 मोबाइल समझा लेक्चर में खराब हो वीडियो शुरू हो जाता 10 Okay, so the second portion is for headings like ID, name, and address. The third portion is detail section, and detail section is for the complete record from database, which will be displayed in the detail section. Database के जिसमें record होते 10 students थी 20 students थी ऑटो पे detail section पे display की, right? Page footer. The fourth section is page footer, which is used for different type of functions like sum. We have different type of functions, and the last one is report footer. Mobile की दई, mobile की दा. Okay. Report footer function is report footer section is for page numbering. You can use it for page numbering. Okay. So first of all, we are going to start the from the report header. So first of all, you have to insert the heading or title for the report. So just right click on the report header section, insert control. From insert control you have to select the label. Okay. Just change the caption of the label. For example, just like student report. You can change the font style in size. I'm going to select the font style like Verdana, bold, and 16. Just increase the height and width of the label. The class pre them version. Okay, insert another label. Right click, insert control, and label. The second label is for like Kardan University. Increase the size. Also you can change the colors from 4 color. Just select the dark blue. Okay. I want to insert current date and time in report header section. Current date and time. So just right click, insert control, and here you can see we have two types of current date, short format and long format. Select the long format. Right click, insert control, select current time, long format. Okay. Now I want to insert 2 lines for separation. 2 lines between the header section, in between the page header, between the report header and page header. Just insert 2 lines, right click, insert control, and here you can see the item is line. Just fix the alignment, increase the size using shift arrow key up to here. Just copy the line and paste using Control C and Control V. Control C and Control V. Control C and Control V. So now we have another copy. Okay. Just decrease the distance between 2 lines. 2 lines में इसके कम distance देगा ना आगा ख़त्म करें. ना आगा पे दपास राजी ख्याल मुझे. जिसे distance ख़त्म हो मदा पे दपास राजी. दा manually ख़त्म करें. इधर चलता ना. Select this line, and here is a property like top. So decrease the value from here. Now this is 2016. So just change it to 1940. Correct? Okay. Remove this extra area from bottom and right side. The next thing, we are going to add the ID, name and address as headers in page header. So just right click in page header section, insert control and insert label. Simply insert label. The first label is for ID. Insert another label. Second one is for name. And the third one should be for address. Okay. Using control click, select all of the 3 labels, control click, and change the font style. Font, select Verdana and make it bold. Increase the size a bit. Press OK. Add another line for separation between the headings and record. Just add a line. Right click, insert control and select line. Okay, the most important section is the details section. How to select data from database? Just right click, insert control, and here you have to select the text box. Select text box, right click, insert another text box. Right click and insert text box. So now we are having 3 text boxes. The first one is for SID. Name of the field in database is SID. So select the first one, select first database, and in data field you have to write SID manually. Drop down finish dafa. Just write it manually, SID. For the second one, you have to write S name. And for the third one, just write S address. Okay. Now just decrease the height. Decrease the height. Okay. In last portion, in report footer portion, I am going to insert the total number of pages and total number of record. Total record and total number of pages. So just right click, insert control, insert a label, change the caption, for example to total records, and now we are going to add a function. We are going to add a function like how to count the complete record inside the database. Database की जिसमें record है, total count का, उधर तक अगर numbers display का, 10 records है, 20 records है, सुन रही. So right click, insert control, and here you can see the function. Just select the function. You can see the function is for sum, but we are going to count the record. So just select the function, and here is function type. From function type, you have to select the RPT function record count. Okay. Insert a line. Yes, just for designing. The last thing, I am going to insert the total number of pages. Just right click, from insert control, you can see total number of pages. Click, remove this extra area. Okay. Now just rename the data report. Name of the data report is data report 1. Click on the title bar. Now you can rename this one. Not caption, okay? You have to rename the name. Just write it DR. I have replaced with DR. Double click on form 1. Double click on report button. We have the connection control ADODC1. So just double click on report button, and you have to create a data source. Data source मतलब है database the कम से number record राजी, the कम table number record राजी. मख के तासु वे ले दे. ADODC1 dot record source equals to, you have to write query select static means select complete record from std table. ADO की मुंगा already connection जोड़ कर दे. जब तक मुंगा query उली कला सीधा record राउ चत्ता. tiny table ने record राउ चत्ता. Now you have to refresh the ADO control. Refresh. Okay. The next thing is you have to set the source. You have to set the source to data report. कम data report सीधे जोड़ कर दे. अगर तो source उखाया. सही है कम query सीधी उली कला. So just write set dr. Dr is the name of data report. So set dr dot data source equals to ADODC1, and just display it using dr dot show. Start project. We are having 3 records in database: Amrullah, Aslam, and Mansoor. Just click on report. You can see this is the report header section, Cardano University and student report. Now you can see the current date, Wednesday, May, and time. And you can see the report header, the page header section, ID, name, and address. This is the page header section, and this area is the details section. And the last one is total record. This one is the report footer. report footer. In report footer, you are having a function like total records. Total record, number of records are 3, and total number of pages. You are having just a single page. सही ना? Okay. तसो कदे शई करना जिदा current date जिदा complete ना display की. Complete ना display की. तो देखियो मसला था. मसला डेरा easy था इस समझना. Double click on data report, and you have to increase the width of current date. Select this one and increase the width. Also you have to increase the time. Now start report. You can see the complete date has been displayed. Okay. Now if I want to search a specific person, for example, Amrullah Razia go just zama record mata display ko mala print out raka. Here is the print out button. You can print this. So specific person is search for just declare a variable. If you want to search using ID, so just declare an integer variable and use input box. Simply you have to insert 2 lines more. Go rahi hota. Double click on report button. First of all, you have to declare a variable like dim I is integer. ID is integer data type. If you first let me search by ID, then you will do by name, inshallah. Okay, dim I is integer. Now you have to assign the value to I variable using input box. I equals to input box enter ID to search report, and the title should be search. Okay, now just add a half line code in query. Okay, when someone clicks on the report button, so this will ask for the ID. Enter ID to search using input box. For example, I have entered 2, so the 2 will be stored inside the I variable. 2 baba I variable ki store shi. सही है? उस जगह 2 variable, the I variable के चिकम 2 record करते 2. आगे पर database की search करी 2 number मानी search तक कनिष्ठा. So you have to write query select static from std where SID equals to this I variable. Concate using shift 7 and write I. Bas. Start report, enter ID to search. For example, the second one, press OK. Second one is Aslam, and this is the record. So you show. Now I want to do search on name. Yes.
How we can add a photo?
You are going to add photo. Okay. If you are having field inside database for photo, then you can add. Como será os field niște de pe am guru să guru. Right click, all controls, image. You can see here is a control for image. Just click on this control, click on the control in the data source šta? Ništa. Image ne देखा, picture निश्चित दे माँ ने देखा रहता है practice में ने देखा रहता है. Okay, just do search by name. Search by name. Double click on form. Double click on report button. Double click on report button. Okay, now we have declared a variable for ID, integer. For name we have to declare the data type should be string. So just comment these 2 lines, comment, and declare another variable. For example, dim I is string. Dim I is string. and I equals to, using input box you have to store the name from input box inside I variable. So just write input box enter name to search report. The title should be search. Okay, now you have to use this I की name देगा ना, I की name रवा दे input box ना, the I by use के पस के query के बसिंग use के मख के मुंगा value string सी सुमरम दी string अगर पर single quote या double quote के राजी सही ना, already जमुंगा query पर double quote के बंदा, query पर double quote के बंदा का ना, query is enclosed inside double quotes. So now you have to use single quote for I. जब कदली दा पारा हम तो डबल कोट पर क्वेरी की यूज की बे कंफ्यूजन जुड़ी की दादा कंपाइलर दा पारा. So you have to use single quote for I. Just insert a single quote right here. Insert a single quote. Now again concate. Start double quote, single quote and double quote. दादा मतलब दा शो चिदा I की जिकम नेम दे दा देखो ना पर सिंगल कोट के बंदे और देखो ना पर सिंगल कोट के बंदे खुदा डबल कोट्स दस दबा रही थी द डबल कोट्स एक्चुअली द कंप्लीट क्वेरी दबा रही थी दल द स्टार्ट शेवे दे और दे के खत्म शेवे दे सही ना स्टार्ट का सर्च बाकी सही दे और सॉरी एस नेम select steric from std where s name equals to this one. So just start report. The first one is Amrullah. We are going to search the Amrullah report and write Amrullah. You can see ID bane ki panim bane ki bakar de pe to daga wali. For example reports the para do buttons wala या combo box वाखला combo box की कदा ID selected by ID दी search का combo ना name selected by name दी search. Clear? So question me.